In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect MetaTrader5 to Vantage. To get started, make sure you have your Vantage MT5 login details ready. Log into your Vantage client portal and locate your account login, which is your account number, your trading password, and your server name. The server name is important because MetaTrader5 connects directly to that specific server. These details are also sent to you by email when your account is created. When copying them, make sure there are no extra spaces, and use the trading password rather than any read-only or investor password. Next, launch MetaTrader5 on your PC and wait for the platform to finish loading. Once the interface is ready, go to the File menu in the upper left corner and select Log in to Trade Account. In the Login window, enter your Vantage account number in the Login field. Then enter your trading password in the Password field. After that, open the Server drop-down menu and select the correct Vantage server. Double-check that the server name matches exactly with the one provided in your client portal or email. Once you've confirmed all the details, click Log in or OK. If everything has been entered correctly, MetaTrader5 should connect to your Vantage account within a few seconds. If you don't see your Vantage server listed, go back to the File menu and select Open an Account. In the search box, type Vantage and wait while MetaTrader5 loads the available servers. Once the list appears, choose the correct Vantage entity, such as Vantage International, and then select the server that matches your account type, whether it's a live account or a demo account. After selecting the correct server, click Next and continue to the login screen. Enter your account number, trading password, and confirm that you've selected the correct server before clicking Login again. Using the wrong server is one of the most common reasons a login doesn't work, so compare the server name carefully with the information provided in your client portal or welcome email before trying again. After you've successfully logged in, check the bottom right corner of the MetaTrader5 window. You should see the connection status showing active data. Your account balance should also appear in the terminal or toolbox section, and your charts should begin updating. If the markets are closed, your account balance and connection status will still appear even if price updates are slower than usual. If you experience any problems connecting, carefully review your account number, trading password, and server name. Then repeat the login process using the correct information. Once everything is connected, your Vantage trading account is successfully linked to MetaTrader5 and ready to use. Thank you for watching.